Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your smartphone internet onto your quality combo decoder. So know that not all FTA decoders accept smartphone internet connection straight away. Okay, meaning using the cable connection. Some of the decoders have built-in Wi-Fi that you can actually connect your smartphone through the Wi-Fi over there, and others too you have to insert in a Wi-Fi dongle. And not every Wi-Fi dongle is compatible with any FTA decoder, so know the decoder that you are using and whether it's compatible with the Wi-Fi that you wanna purchase. Okay, so with this, all you got to do is to go to menu on your quality combo decoder. In the menu page, you look for settings. Alright, come down here and then select network settings. Since this page has opened up, all you got to do is to connect your smartphone to know whether it has display over there. Okay, so you pick up your USB cable, connect one side onto your smartphone and the other side, the USB side. Okay, the USB side over here onto your decoder. Here, all you got to do is to go to settings on your smartphone. Okay, so you come to settings on your smartphone, come to the network settings, and then click on the hotspot and then the tethering. Alright, so turn on the USB tethering settings over here, and that will actually connect your smartphone onto the decoder successfully. So you come down here and then press OK to save. So after saving, but make sure that you have a stable internet access on your smartphone before you can use it. After saving, you go back and you come to the utility page. That's where you can use the internet on the decoder. Okay, so we have YouTube app over there that you can actually use it, and other options over here as you can see. So you come down to the YouTube. If you wanna enjoy some YouTube videos, come here, you come to search bar over here, you can type in Pbtecknology and then Pbteck, and you're gonna get my videos being pop up for you to watch. So type in Pbteck, and then come down here, press OK, and you're good to go. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Alright, thanks for watching. Yes.